Hi, second grade friends. We're going to get ready for syllabication this week. Make sure you have paper and a pencil or even just a whiteboard and a marker. Here's our first word. Go ahead and write it on your paper or your whiteboard. We're going to go ahead and find the first vowels, the first two vowels. We see A, we see AU as a vowel team. We're going to draw our bridge. We're going to label our consonants. Now we're going to draw our syllable division wall. What's our syllable type? We see A. It has the P is closing the door, so it's a closed syllable. We see AU. We know that is a diphthong. Now we're going to read the word applaud. Hey, here is our next word. It's a little bit of a challenge word like last week. Go ahead and write it on your paper or on your whiteboard. Okay, we're going to find our first two vowels. We see AU and E. We're going to draw our bridge, label our consonants, draw our syllable wall. Now you might have noticed there's another vowel, so we're going to go ahead and mark that next vowel. We're going to draw another bridge, mark those consonants, draw a new syllable division wall. So you can see there are three different syllables in this word. Now we're going to label the syllables. We see AU, we know that is a diphthong. We see E, but we see the N is closing the door, so it's a closed syllable. And then we have an I, and we see that C is closing the door, so it's a closed syllable too. Now we're going to get ready to read our word. Authentic. Authentic. Great work today.